As he is free falling in at over 420 miles an hour. Get ready to kick off this beautiful show.
Got whatever you want.
By Ed Hamill. Hamster is his call sign. He's going to be circling the jumper, and he's going to be performing for us later on. Get ready as he's going to contact black and gold. And there you have the high flying black and gold of your United States Army's Golden Knights back here.
Look at that. Jumped off the plane.
It is my honor and privilege for the 37th year to be the airshow announcer and narrator for this great show. And I know we're going to have a great time. Stars of the show at the end from the United States Navy, the Blue Angels demonstration team flying their FA-18 Hornet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request all of you to please stand. Gentlemen, please remove your hats and join active duty sailor and musician third class Sarah Vega as she sings our national anthem.
Oh, sleep, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, his white stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets like the air, the monsters steamed in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Already an hour 15. That means it's going to take an hour and a half to get home. Or just like half a sailboat? Just like natural.
The jump master is actually looking out the left door of the aircraft. This man is outside in the wind and the cold. Through a series of air obstacles, he's relaying heading corrections to the pilot, maneuvering the aircraft to a precise exit point for the jumpers. And the jumpers are out, and the smoke is on. We now have 3 jumpers in free fall, rapidly approaching speeds of 120 miles per hour. Once these jumpers turn and face each other, they will prepare for the baton exchange. Contact has been made, and the 14-inch mahogany baton exchanged. They now alter their body positions to form 120-mile-per-hour spirals in the sky, while our wingsuiter circles the high-speed action. They now separate